Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Natural Remedy TV. I appreciate you all for coming once again to watch my video. Guys, in today's video I'll be preparing garden egg stew and potato. And if you want to know how I prepare this garden egg stew, just watch to the end. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and place the comment below. God bless you all. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. And here I have grounded chicken. I also have maggi cube, white pepper. I have powdered garlic. I have zucchini. I have garlic egg. I chopped it, then I boiled it. And I also have onion. I have fresh tomatoes. Then I have bell pepper. I have zucchini. So I also have olive oil. Here I have minced ginger, garlic, and onion leaf. So I have salt also. Guys, just watch to the end and see how I prepared that delicious garlic egg stew. Actually, today is my first time of using grounded chicken. I just want to create it and see how it will look. So I love creating food on my own. I'll just think about it. What if I use something like this? How it's going to look, taste. So I always love to give things a try, like food, creating food on my own. It's very good to create food on your own. You don't need to cook what others are cooking. And you don't need to, be doing something, one thing every time. You need to change, make a difference. When I prepared this thing and my husband really enjoyed it, he said, wow, it is nice, it's good. I love it. I love it. We didn't just eat the egg stew with potato. We also ate it with unripe plantain also and rice. So you can use whatever thing you have to eat this garden egg stew. You can eat it with yam. You can eat it with unripe plantain, ripe plantain, fried plantain also. You can eat it with rice, whatever thing you desire to use it, you want to use, then you can just feel free and use it. And you have to fry the grounded chicken for at least 5 to 6 minutes before adding the onions, because the grounded chicken is very soft and you have to fry it just to make it more harder before adding the onions. So right now we added the bell pepper. And when you want to prepare this food, you don't need to add much oil, and also you don't need to add water. Okay, so I'm adding the zucchini. And if you want to chop the zucchini, don't cut it too small, not too big, just medium, so that everything will come out so pop pop pop. I also like the colors, all the colors. I love it so much. The combination, everything looks so beautiful and also looks tasty, yummy. You can see different color. You have purple, you have red, you have green. Wow, it looks beautiful though. I'm using vegetable maggi. So this maggi is made with carrots and oh, sorry guys, I forgot the other thing they use, but I know that there's carrots in the maggi. And here I'm adding the garlic powder. I love using garlic powder because it will give the food a nice taste and a nice aroma also. I love the aroma of the dried powdered garlic, and I also love the taste and the aroma of the white pepper. So when you add those things together, it will give it nice taste, nice aroma. When you finish cooking, the first thing that when like you invite somebody to your house and you give the person food, the first thing the person will notice is the aroma of the food. If the food have good aroma, wow, person will be like, oh, I need this food. We'll be saying it in his or her heart. So right now I'm matching the the egg. You don't need to match it too hard, just a little bit. Okay guys, just a little bit. You can see I didn't match it for long, just a little bit. And yeah, sorry guys, my voice is like this. I'm not feeling too sound, and I'm not feeling too well. Don't be scared, it's not corona. Oh, I think it's the changing of the weather. It's just disturbing me and also my baby. You can see, wow, it's looking so beautiful and attractive. Mmm, okay, yummy. The food is so yummy, guys. Hmm. No, I don't do for the Tony now. Ah, if you could let that eye again. Yeah. Guys, here is my garlic egg stew. And if you love this food, just give it a like, place a comment, and tell me what you think about the food. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video up to this time. and see you on my next video. I love you all and God love you more. Bye and see you on my next video. God bless you.